Good morning to everyone, my dear children. Welcome back once again for our English literature class. We have been continuously studying this particular chapter, our Astronomy Day. We had our live class as well as I have given you some videos. Today, let us continue page number 63. Page number 63. From our earlier class, we came to know that Black Beauty, John, and Mr. Gordon. See, these three of them are traveling, and then they have to face a lot of challenges, especially this Black Beauty has to face a lot of challenges. So now let us continue further. The first paragraph, page 63. As the master's business in the city kept him busy for long, we did not start for home till rather late in the afternoon. So this particular master, Mr. Gordon, had some type of business in the city, and therefore he was late, and therefore they did not start early. There he had to spend time with the other partners and so on. So it was late, and then they had to start their journey again. Next line. The wind was then much higher, and I heard a master say to John that he had never been out in such a storm. So the wind was blowing too hard, and then this John and Mr. Gordon, they were having conversation, and this Mr. Gordon is saying that I have never had such a day. I have never seen this type of stormy day earlier in my life. So they are having conversation, and everything this Black Beauty is listening. Because in fact it was very difficult day for them to journey. So their conversation has been heard by this particular beauty. Next line you see. As we went along the skirts of a wood where the great branches were swaying about like twigs, and the rushing sound was terrible, I also thought the same. Now, what happened to this particular people now? Let us see. As they came to the skirts, as they came to the side skirts, it is actually the edge of the forest. Wood here meaning, wood means not, it is not a piece of wood or log of wood, rather it is forest. These three, especially Black Beauty, Mr. Gordon and John, they had to cross a very deep forest where the great branches were swaying about like twigs, great branches swaying. So due to the wind, the branches were leaning against each other, and they were moving from this direction to the other direction. So you are swaying here. See, they were moving, the trees were moving, and then it was very bad situation for this Black Beauty and the master and the caretaker to pass through the forest. It was a dangerous situation for them. twigs, here many small branches of trees, and the rushing sound was terrible. I also thought the same. It was terrible, very dangerous. Dangerous. Okay, so in spite of danger, they have to cross, they have to go ahead. Now, next line you see. I wish we were well out of this wood, said my master. So, master is saying, see, I wish that we would have crossed this particular forest by this time, but still we are in the middle of the forest. We are in the dangerous places, and so he wished, actually, he desired, wish, master desire, he desired, wished, he only desired, he wanted to cross, but still they are in the middle of the forest. Next time, yes sir, said John, it would be better, it would be rather awkward if one of these branches came down upon us. So, if the tree falls down upon us, it will be very, very harmful to us. It will be very awkward. Awkward, very dangerous. So, both of them are thinking that if the tree falls down, it will be very harmful and it will be hurting. Who knows, we may die also. So, actually, they had no surety or certainty about their lives. But still, they have to cross the forest. So, again you see, if one of these branches came down upon us, if one of these branches or the trees fall upon us, we will die. Now, next paragraph. The words were scarcely out of his mouth when there was a groan and a crack and a splitting sound. So, scarcely, even the word had not yet come out from his mouth. Scarcely, hardly. He said, barely. Even the words had not yet come out from his mouth. Then what happened? Something happened to them. The words were scarcely out of his mouth when there was a groan. Some type of a sound coming, pain sound or something like this sound coming, groaning sound, and a crack. Breaking sound, breaking of branches, and a splitting sound. Splitting, becoming into two pieces. The tree broke, actually. The tree, one of the oak tree had broken and it had fallen on the road. So, this was the sound coming to them. So, they were actually very much afraid, and luckily they saved their lives. The tree fell down on the road, but luckily Black Beauty was escaped, and immediately after that John came down from the horse to see that particular Black Beauty, whether anything harm or any hurt Black Beauty got or not. So immediately he came down from there. So, my dear children, this is the dangerous situation, and at night they are journeying, and luckily they saved, three of them have saved their lives. So, dear children, I wind up my class here. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much to everyone.